Very nice to have you here with us. So you have attended both the Global South Media Partners Mechanism inauguration and this Global Video Media Forum. What are your major takeaways from these events?
These events have been very meaningful, not just in their scale, but in their spirit as well. What stood out for me the most was the solidarity, the sense that despite our different geographical and views, opinions, and capacities, the sense that the Global South shares one common goal, and that is to tell our own stories through our own voices.
Right.
For media organizations like ours, this mechanism offers more than just cooperation. It gives us a collective voice to exchange experiences, to strengthen capacity, and shape narratives that reflect who we are rather than how others define us.
As the chairperson of public service media, how do you view the opportunities of media collaboration between China and the Maldives in the future under this new partnership framework?
The potential is immense. Between China and the Maldives, there is so much we can do together, from co-producing documentaries and cultural features that highlight our people and stories, to training exchanges where our journalists can learn from each other's strengths. At Public Service Media in the Maldives, we are especially interested in areas like digital transformation, content innovation, AI adaptation, where China has made remarkable progress. Through this cooperation, we can enhance not only our media capacity, but also the friendship and mutual respect between both the countries.
Wow. So apart from this bilateral mutual respect and bilateral media collaboration ties, how do you view this, the role of the Global South could play in terms of such as the Maldives and China to work together to promote practical cooperation such as joint production and maybe content exchange?
I believe there are three key pillars for broader collaboration. The first being content exchange. Let's share stories across our regions so our audiences can see the richness of the Global South. Second, talent development.
Right.
Through joint workshops and internships that help our young journalists grow with global exposure. And the third, joint productions on themes that unite us, like climate resilience, which is very close to the heart of Maldives, because we are just 1% land and 99% water, and almost 1 meter above sea level. So, when we talk about climate, it affects us in ways nobody else would be affected.
Right.
So, let's talk about joint productions on themes that unite us, as I mentioned: climate resilience, sustainable tourism, and social inclusion. When we combine our strengths, we don't share stories, we share understanding.
Wow, you said we don't share stories, we also share understandings. Wow, that's how do you view this, the role of the Global South partners in terms of building a more balanced and more inclusive global narrative?
I believe media from the Global South carry responsibility to bring balance to global storytelling. For too long, our countries have been portrayed only through the lens of challenges or need. But our stories are also about innovation. It's about resilience. It's about hope. So I think we share a responsibility to voice, to bring to the globe, to add to the richness our stories in our voices. Southern media can be the voice of empathy, highlighting human connections, dignity, and progress. So that's how we bring depth and authenticity, back to global narratives. And I believe nobody else can do it better than the South Media.